Take a tour of Whallex. See the multi-wallet infrastructure, P2P exchange, Fiat accounts, and the control panel that runs it all. Start by clicking Login to access your secure account. Enter your email and password, then click Continue to sign in. Click the profile icon to open your account menu. Switch to Admin for the full platform controls. Access the customization area to tailor the platform to your brand. Preview and select your brand colors for a unique look. Save your custom branding and theme adjustments instantly. Try out various brand colors to match your team's identity. Click Save Changes to apply your new look across the dashboard. Choose where Toast notifications appear for convenient alerts. Confirm your updates to keep your branding consistent. Navigate to Currency Management to control available currencies. Open Manage Currencies to enable or edit currency options. Activate Brazilian Real with a single toggle. Support is enabled across the entire platform. Close the Manage Currencies window when your selections are set. Click to reveal actions for the euro currency, such as editing rates. Select Edit Rate to set your preferred exchange rate for euro. Choose Manual to set a custom exchange rate for greater control. Input your new euro exchange rate for precision management. Switch to Auto for real-time, market-driven euro exchange rates. Exit the Set Exchange Rate dialog if no changes are needed. Navigate to Country Management to update supported regions. Click Manage Countries to customize your global reach. Enable or disable country support instantly with the toggle switch. Close the Manage Countries dialog to finalize your adjustments. Return to Country Management as needed for more adjustments. Go to Pair Management to handle available conversion pairs. Filter conversion pairs by specific wallets for personalized views. Edit the Ethereum BNB pair to customize conversion parameters or fees. Choose percentage to set dynamic, value-based fees. Enter your desired percentage rate for the current conversion pair. Click Save to instantly update pair settings and fee structure. Click the profile icon to return back to the user area. Switch back to user mode for a customer-centric experience. Let's deposit some funds into our Ethereum account. Select Ethereum from the list of accounts to start a crypto deposit. Select the right network to ensure your deposit is routed correctly. Click Continue to display the deposit address for your Ethereum account. Copy your unique Ethereum wallet address. We've made a deposit. Let's wait for it to arrive. Close the wallet address dialog. Switch to view recent crypto transactions. Select your Ethereum account as the source. Select your BNB account as the destination. Wait for the deposit to be confirmed. Enter the amount you want to convert. Click Get Quote to see the conversion amount and fee. The quote reflects the 10% fee we set in the control panel. Click Confirm to execute the conversion at the quoted price. Wait a few minutes for the conversion to execute. Click Accounts to expand the section. Open Transaction History to view details of recent transactions and conversions. Switch to the Control panel to see your revenue from the conversion. Click Revenue to expand the section. Click Overview to see your revenue at a glance. Select a wallet to see its revenue breakdown. Select the Ethereum wallet to view its revenue. Open Fee Management to set fees for conversions, withdrawals, and more. Switch to the P2P tab to set fees on peer-to-peer trades. Switch to the Payment Deposit tab to set fees on fiat deposits. Switch to the Payment Withdrawal tab to set fees on fiat withdrawals. Expand Wallet Management to manage wallets and their networks. Click Wallet Registry to publish your own custom ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20 token. Click here to define your token specification and set its price source. Enter your token details. Upload your token logo here. Continue to the next page to set the price source. Add multiple price sources. If one fails, the next takes over automatically. Select a provider and enter its details. Click Save and proceed to move on to network setup for your token. Click Add Network to link a new blockchain network to your wallet specification. Enter a name for the network definition. Select the blockchain driver that matches your token's network. Paste your token's smart contract address for this network. Optionally, add a test contract address for development and QA. Continue to the final step. Review and publish your token as a wallet. Review your token setup, then click Publish to make it live. Confirm publishing to finalize your wallet specification and lock in your settings. Get a quick overview of your newly published wallet. Switch back to the user area. Your published token now appears as a wallet for every user. Log out and log back in to see your newly published wallet. Start a new deposit to fund your new wallet account with tokens. Select the network for your deposit. Click Continue to generate your token's deposit address. We've made a deposit. Let's wait for it to arrive. Next up, Fiat. Click here to open Fiat Management. Click here to add a fiat currency account. Click here to deposit funds into your fiat account. Click here to withdraw funds from your fiat account. Expand the Trade menu to see the P2P Management section. Click Create Offer to list a trade on the P2P market. Select which wallet you want to include in your trade offer. Choose your custom tokens wallet to create a trade offer. Select the fiat currency to pair with your crypto offer. Advance to the next step in setting up your trade offer. Open account settings to manage your personal info and security features. Click here to view your public profile. Click My Trades to view your active and finalized trades. Click here to open the trade details and chat area. Whallex goes well beyond what fits in a few minutes. Take the public demo for a spin yourself. If you have any questions or you're ready to proceed, contact our sales team.